In this video, I'll show you how to check the battery health and cycle count on your Mac. This is useful if you want to know the condition of your MacBook battery and how many charge cycles it has used. To get started, click the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen, then click System Settings. In the left sidebar, scroll down and select Battery. Now, look for Battery Health and click the information icon or the Battery Health option next to it. Here, you can see the condition of your battery and the maximum capacity. If the battery condition says normal, it means your battery is still working properly. The maximum capacity shows how much charge your battery can currently hold, compared to when it was new. Now to check the battery cycle count, go back and click the Apple menu again. Select About This Mac. Then click More Info. Scroll down and click System Report. A new window will open. In the left sidebar, under Hardware, click Power. Now look for the Health Information section. Here, you'll see the cycle count, battery condition, and other battery details. The cycle count shows how many complete charge cycles your MacBook battery has gone through. A lower cycle count usually means the battery has been used less, while a higher cycle count means the battery has been charged and discharged more often, and that's it. You've successfully checked your battery health and cycle count on Mac OS. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more quick Mac tutorials.